Alright guys, be sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. I had to borrow a bike to do this week's video. Do a little work on mine. So I definitely appreciate you liking it. So forget it. Just forget it. I'm gonna go steal my wife's bike. This ain't gonna work. I'll just risk death and take her bike out. Oh, that was fun, guys. I tell you, I love this motorcycle. This thing is so much fun. My wife's 2017 48. This bike is absolutely gorgeous. I love what she's done with it. She's done a lot of work to this. I think she did a pretty good job with it. Crushed ice denim. I hope I said that right. I swear Harley-Davidson has somebody that they pay just to come up with names for colors. I would have never thought of crushed ice denim in my life. But crushed ice denim is the paint. Got the 2.1 gallon peanut tank. She did the Extreme billet air cleaner. We went with the Burst collection from Harley-Davidson on this bike. We did the foot pegs. We did the grips. And down here we did these the little axle caps on this thing. These things are like $70 from Harley-Davidson. But we found these little knockoffs on Amazon for like I think they were like $22. You can't beat that, guys. Plus, it matches the little CNC machining on the wheels there. What I love about these bikes, they got these big fat forks with the fork brace in it. It handles amazingly. And then we did these, did some crash bars on it for her. Just good little insurance there. Put the Vance & Hines Twin/3 exhaust on it. She liked them on my bike. She liked the way they looked. So, Mama gets what Mama wants. Of course, it's got the emulsion suspension. We blacked out the turn signals, put LED bulbs in them. Got an LED headlight in it. We did this one in black. I did chrome on my bike. She liked the darker theme. You can tell my wife and I, we have complete opposite, complete opposite taste in bikes. Super bright, beautiful. Did LEDs in the running lights. Man, that thing's bright. This bike also has security. Something I wish I would have got on my bike is this security system. Arms itself, bike's completely disabled. So that way if somebody punches your ignition, you ain't got to worry about them at least riding it off. They can still load it in a truck, but hey, every little bit helps. Did the Burst collection shifter peg on it. Put some Screamin Eagle plug wires on this guy. And she decided she liked this kind of brushed aluminum on everything, so we left it alone. We just left that alone, but yeah, she likes the blacked out look, guys. I love it. It's fun to ride. This thing handles amazingly. I can't say enough about how well this bike handles. It is a ton of fun to ride, guys. So anyhow, let's get out of here and ride her down the road some more. Fires right up. Oh, can't beat that sound, guys. I'm telling you. Alright. Try not to drag anything here. Mama kill me. Back on the road, boys. Let's go. Woo! Let's give her a little speed run. Oh, she runs good. Love that pull. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Be sure to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and I'm going to try and outrun this storm behind me. Get you guys on the next one.